How to check for KFC delivery hours for your location. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are showing you a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow and we should be able to check the delivery hours for our KFC in our area. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So first of all, what you need to understand is that each of the individual KFC restaurant sets its own opening and closing times, and delivery hours are usually tied to those hours. The kitchen must be open to send out deliveries. So one of the easiest method what we can do is we can use the locator. So we can use locator for KFC and hit enter and open up that link, which is this one right here. So go ahead and click on this link right here and that should open up a site something like this. So here we can enter up our location. Just go over and search for your location, for example, like this, and use the search bar right here. After that is done, once you have entered up your delivery address, you can find up a store nearby, for example, this store near here, and click on the name. And once we click on it, it should open up the space. So this one is closed, but if it's open, app or the website will show the delivery available times. Here we have this is closes. It's the delivery hour here that we can check out. It shows us ordering closed, delivery unavailable, or the restaurant is not taking delivery at that moment. This platform usually only shows restaurants that are open for delivery right now. Apart from that, they have phone number and different other options that they may be offering, so you can just go over and check it out. Otherwise, we can also use the Google Map application directly and search for the hours and the KFC stores near you that are open. And that's it. Usually calling the restaurant directly is one of the most 100% accurate delivery hours knowing methods, so you can use those methods as well. But for now, I can follow it up. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.